What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy B-Punks9, aka Beto. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and like the video also. Today's mission, we are going to be fishing a local pond near where I stay at. Been a good minute that we haven't fished this pond, so I'm really glad that we get, I get to enjoy it back again. It's been pretty much a year. So I know this fish got to be stacked in here, doing what they do. So, we're gonna try to be hunting for some bass, So right now it's kind of like in the pre-spawn season and whatnot. So we're gonna try to catch some bass, and I got the bass boat here ready. Put the plug in, everything ready to go. And also gonna try out the new power pole. Also, we got a new trolling motor. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the boat in the water. And of course, nobody's with me, just but my other best friend, Charlie. Oh, Charlie. But anyway, she's gonna be joining me today, and most of all, I'm more comfortable because in the double wide John boat that I had, she was just falling all over the place, but she was just a little girl. Anyways, let's go ahead and put this baby in the water, and let's get to it. Gonna deploy down. Oh, well, we're here on the boat now finally. Sally's over here walking around like crazy. She's actually really happy and excited. Last time she was just scared. Oh, thirsty. Oh, that was some good Gatorade. Charlie, get your butt tail over here. That's my spot. I'm making the first cast already, and we're gonna see what we get. I'll tell you guys something right now. Trying out this power pole, man, it makes life so different. Oh. Yep. I had, damn it, dude. Damn it, I had a good hit there. I had something hit it. Let's try again. Maybe it's freaking on bed. What, Charlie? You ready to see your first fish? There's really good structure here. Maybe fish will try to tend to stay there. Again, we're in the pre-spawn season, guys. So in case y'all don't know what I'm talking about, pre-spawn really is when fish are starting to like come up shallow and look for where they want to start bedding at. Stuff like that. If I'm not mistaken, that's what it really is. Alright, we made it here to the next spot. So the wind hits here just a little bit less than where I was, but with the power pole it ain't gonna make any difference because it's 9 feet of water here and my power pole is only rated for 8 feet. Now what I'm throwing is a prawn. I usually catch them with, I've caught them with like worms and stuff like that. Texas rigging. Got a square bow crankbait. I got this tied up on Loose Mark Smash. This one is 75. I believe it's a 75. Yep, 75-1 gear ratio, 6-10 medium heavy. This rod is very versatile. I'm gonna keep on trying this crank. Let's see what I get. The last thing I'll wind up throwing here is a jerk bait. Well, guys, turns out not even freaking crankbait, spinner, or anything is hitting it. We're gonna have to see what this hyper jerkbait does. Anything good for us. Probably the closest of its natural color showing up. Oh, God, that was a good one. That was a good hit. Come off. Oh, he's barely hooked. Barely hooked, guys. Ooh. Oh, come on, come on. Ooh. Got him. Woo, look at that. Oh, he just got barely getting unhooked. Really pretty. First bass, pretty bass this size of the year. That size. Gosh. Sally, look at that. Look at that fish. We gotta go ahead and get ready because we still gotta load up the boat and whatnot. But gotta show y'all the fish. All right. Oh, Sally's like, what is that? There it is. I didn't even get to weigh him. I want to weigh him though. Let me see what it is. Sally, it's a fish. It's a fish. 2 pounds, 0 ounces. So, what? What? It's a fish. What? Are you gonna play with him? 2 pounds, 0 ounces. We'll go ahead and release him in the back of the water and let him get back on. Really pretty fish. Well, off you go. Well, guys, me and Sally, you know, we had a good run today, so I'm sure she had a really good time. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, I do appreciate y'all tuning in this far with me on this video, and it wasn't much, you know, one bass. You know, it was a pretty good bass, really good fight. Not like the longest fight either, you know, but it was a really good one, you know. You know, that bass was just, you know, fighting real hard. He just kept trying to go away and away, you know. But we got him in the boat. So one fish, you know, it's all good in a few hours because we kind of, you know, we're doing a few things. So we kind of had a little downtime here and there, and then, but but anyways, guys, I will see you next time on another video. Again, subscribe, like the video, and comment, and I will see you next time.